I'm teaching you how to make a fish, just like this. So, first thing first, you have to have a glue, scissors, and a marker, any color. And you might want to have one of these papers because you're going to need the extra strength. So you might know how to make a square out of paper. So you might want to make a square out of it. After that, you open up your square, okay? Then you might want to think of an airplane. Fold it like that. Then both sides. When you're done with that, I'm going to tell you to open up your entire thing. All your folds, and make it back into like that. Because then, you see this line over right here? If you pass that, then it'll work. You don't pass it, not going to work. So, I always, and only start like right there so you have a head. Then cut past that line, a little or a lot, and then on a bunch of stripes. So make a lot of stripes.
Ryder, you gotta look at the camera too.
I like to put a lot of them. About 8 or probably 50 sometimes. I like to do 50. That's what I mean. So after you do that, you're gonna want to fold it like that so you know that it works, and do that so you know that it works. If you don't cut past the line, then it won't work. And then that's good. So then I'm gonna open up here and I'm gonna grab the glue, and then I'm gonna probably glue one side of the triangles, and I'll put that side on the bottom. And then I'll put that one over that triangle. I'm gonna reach in my hand as far as I can, and then I'm gonna try to paste it down really hard. And I'm gonna come over here with the head. I always like to bend it down like that so I get a good area. And then I'm gonna trim off all this stuff. Okay? And then I'm gonna put some eyeballs with the back marker, probably a smiley face. And then now you're gonna come over here with this thing where you started from, and you are going to take it. If there's any parts left, you might want to cut that off. You're going to fold it and make your tail and fins just like this. You grab it, make your tail, make your fins. Okay, and feel free to decorate your fins. Sometimes I just like to do little swirlies coming out of them. And then I'm gonna grab my glue, and if you have your tail, only glue in that middle line fold. And then take it, put it on the back of it, very back. Just kind of squish it on. And then you grab the same, and then you do the same thing with your fins. And then you flip it over, and then I always like to put it on the very last fold so it actually like shows. If we put it on the little cuts, then I think it would just block that area from doing it. And then voila, you have your fish.
Very cool.
And that's how you make a fish.